In this video, I will be showing you how to use Wispr Flow to write prompts. Quick tutorial. MP4 inches to write your prompts using only your voice. I'm starting here on the main Flow dashboard, where I can see my daily progress and dictation stats. Instead of using the keyboard, I'm going to use a voice command to ask the app how to save my responses or outputs for later access. Notice how my voice is instantly transcribed into the text box, capturing every word without me having to type. Next, I'll head over to a Google Doc to show you how this works in other applications. I'll dictate a request for steps on applying for a student discount, and the text appears right on the page as I speak. A notification at the bottom confirms that Flow is active and ready to work in any window. Now, let's go back to the Flow dashboard to check my activity history. Under the History section, I can see all the commands I've given today, neatly saved and ready for management. When I hover over an entry, I can copy the transcript directly to my clipboard. This hands-free approach is a great way to stay organized and keep my workflow moving smoothly throughout the day. Using voice commands ensures I can capture my ideas quickly and efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.